Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this to remote access platform and how it can be used. So to get started with a quick analysis on how to use RealVNC Connect. So to get started, RealVNC remains a top-tier remote desktop solution offering a secure, efficient access across various devices and operating system. So to get started, download the RealVNC Connect setup application from the official website. Then from there, select the version compatible with your operating system, for example, Windows, macOS, or Linux. So install the RealVNC server on the device you wish to control remotely and RealVNC viewers on your device you wish to use to initiate the connection. So during the setup, you will be prompted to choose an authentication method, such as a VNC password or a system credential. So ensure you note this information as it will be required for future connections. So once both applications are installed and configured, sign in with your RealVNC account to sync your devices. So your remote computer will appear in the viewer interface, allowing you to connect with a simple double check, and all identity check will be verified and the connection together, and upon the successful authentication you will gain a control on the remote desktop. So for mobile access, download the RealVNC viewers remote desktop app from the App Store or Google Play Store. After signing in with your RealVNC credentials, your registered computer will be listed, enabling the remote connection on the go. Additionally, RealVNC Connect offers a web-based portal where you can manage your devices and initiate connection directly from your browser. For advanced users, RealVNC provides a command line option for both the servers and the viewer application, allowing for optimized or customized operation and scripting with its robust feature set and cross-platform compatibility. RealVNC Connect continues to be a reliable choice for remote desktop need in 2025. And let me know your comment, let me know your views about this platform in the comment section and what's your takes on it. Thanks.